before we get into the video, I just want to say all codes used in this video can be found in the Discord server, link in description. You can also just download the whole file that I use in this video after I've made it and change some of the codes to what you need it to be. But yeah, feel free to join the Discord server and get the codes from there. What's good everyone, today I'm going to show you how to go ahead and create your own batch file that can send Discord webhook messages to your Discord server. It can be information about a computer once a file's been run, such as IP address, the user that's logged onto it. You could, download a file from that user's computer and send it to that Discord's webhook. But yeah, we're not going to go too deep into it today, but yeah, we'll do a couple videos on it. So yeah, let's get right into this. So the first step of doing this is you're going to create yourself a directory, so a folder where we're going to put our files inside of. Now name this whatever you want. I'm going to name this Discord webhook, just as an example, file right there. Right, open that up. Now I've got this open, this is where we're going to be placing all of our files in. So we can right click this now, go to new and go to text document, create a new text document right here. Now what we can do is just rename this thing entirely right here, get rid of the .text as well, and we're going to name this something like, I don't know, send message. We'll do send message.bat, all one word. Press yes on that and you see it becomes a little kind of, if I go to large icons, it becomes a big cog icon because there's now a .bat file, which is a Windows batch file. So, if you double click on this, you can see this file can't run on your PC because nothing is happening with that right now. Now, we need to open this file up and edit the code in it. We can either do this with Notepad, which if you just right click it, you see it opens up in Notepad. Or, if you right click it, you can have Notepad++, you can have Sublime Text. For today, I think we are going to go for Notepad++ then. Go ahead and open up Notepad++. We can go ahead and get into a bit of coding. Now, the first essential bits to any code is you always do your echo off. And what this does is it just stops it from displaying all the gobbledygook from the commands that you're running basically. Yeah, so now we've got the echo off. There are a few things we need to do before we can start making commands linked to the webhook, because we need to get ourselves a webhook first. So we need to go ahead and open up Discord. Yeah, go to Discord, add a server, create my own, I don't know, for global community. Server name, we're going to do this, TVid, just for example. Right, and in here, go to any channel, right click the channel, edit channel, integrations, webhooks, and create a webhook. And you see this thing called Captain Hook. Go ahead and click in there. Now you can rename this to whatever you want. I'm going to name this, I don't know, IP puller. I'll put it in general. Save the changes. Copy the webhook URL. And what you want to do is just, I'm going to go in this file and make a note of this. I'll just paste this down here for now, so we've got a note of it. Now, yeah, so now we've got a note of that. We can actually get onto the code of linking and sending a message through that webhook. So, there's a few commands that we're going to need to type in here to get this sorted. So we're going to use something called curl. Now, to be honest with you, I don't know what curl does, I just know how to type this out, so you can type this out as long as I do it at the same time. I don't know if it's going to be too far away, hopefully you can see this. So we're going to do a curl -h, and we are going to accept application /JSON -h again, content type application. Sorry, I'm not really explaining the code here as I'm going along. I'm going to really just have to follow along as I go going along himself here. Post data. Yeah. So what I'm going to do is this bit of the code here. This is where we're going to put our text in. So for example here I'm just going to do text here. Now just syringe over that the text needs to go there. I'm going to type in the rest of our code right now. So we need to do a squiggly bracket thing, wherever it is. We're going to do a webhook URL. Right, so we've made ourselves a little bit of line of code here. There's 2 bits we need to fill in here, which we're going to change to whatever you have as well. So here text here is what you want your message to say, and the webhook URL is the webhook URL that we've copied earlier, which we can now paste in there. Now we can get rid of this now. We just had it there just in case we lost the copy of it. So we've now connected our command to our webhook, and the text that goes here is what the message is going to say. So let's type in test successful, just like that. You can save that now, and what's going to happen is we're not ever going to put a pause in it. This file, when we double click it, it's just going to open and close. If we go back now and go into this general channel, you can see there's no messages here currently, but the second that we I've just spun it a little bit so you can see the messages. If we double click this file now, that webhook that we created called RB Puller has now sent a message saying test successful. Now we can go a little bit deeper with this one. Yeah, we can go a little bit deeper with this one and kind of make it, I don't know, give us a bit of information about the PC that it's run from. Now the upside of this is that you can make this run in the background of, I don't know, any exe or batch file that you run without the person knowing it, and getting it sent to a webhook, so you could be getting that person's IP address. I don't know, downloading files from that person's computer and uploading it to a Discord server. But I'm only going to be showing you one example in this episode, and that will be pulling a person's IP address that runs the file. Now, no matter what machine you put this on, as long as this webhook is in this file, it is going to be sent to your Discord server. So you could put this on, I don't know, somebody in China's Discord. No, probably not China. But you get the point. I don't know, someone in Canada, and they do this, and it will still be uploaded to your Discord. So yeah, what we're going to do is for the IP address, there we need to actually create a variable for the IP address so that it can be called into the content of the message here in the webhook. So what we need to do for that is type out a little bit more code. So what we're going to do is, before we do the message, we need to create the variable so that it can be called in the message. We need to /f names tokens equals to quotation mark. Yeah, then we need to create a little %a in ping -4 -n -1. Right. And what we need to do is get a percent computer name do a little, where is it? Power thing. I actually don't know what lesson was called, to be honest with you. Do that little line thing, whatever that is. Find string. Percent A. Right. That should now create a variable for IP. So now, if we do a test successful right here, get rid of that, and we can do IP address found. And then we could do a percent IP percent, just like that. Now, when we double click this, it should send my IP address into Discord, which obviously I don't really want to show, so I'm going to blur that out. But if you run this, if we run that, isn't that going to run? What have I done wrong here? 2 seconds, bear with me, let me read my code. /f telems. Right, well, for starters, that's meant to be like that. That's right. Right. I think that might be what the issue was. You run that. Yeah, bosh. IP address found, and yeah, there's my IP address. Damn. Right. So yeah, that is how you go ahead and connect a batch file to a Discord webhook, and in this instance extract the IP address from the person or the machine that has run that file. Obviously, if you put that on anyone's machine, that will then send it to your Discord server, no matter the person that ran the file. So yeah, if you want some more examples of how to do this, then feel free to drop a like. Let me know in the comments of how would you like it to be done. Yeah, we can do some videos and maybe downloading some browser cookies one day, and yeah, maybe some search history on password files from Google Chrome. It could be, I don't know, you download all the photos. It could be anything. Upload it to a Discord server. But yeah, hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one.